Welcome to Vivero Growers Nursery. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Brandon.
Today's exciting videos on fall bloomers.
Yes, there are tons of perennials and grasses that are about to come into bloom now that the temperatures are cooling down, and we're going to take some time and show you those.
All right, let's check it out. All right, you've probably noticed that some of your beautiful flowers, like your lantana, your salvias, are blooming beautiful as we transition into fall. Well, those are going to continue to carry the bloom until the first frost. At the same time, you can incorporate some of these other plants that we're highlighting, like the Copper Canyon daisy. It's got a wonderful fragrance to the foliage and a beautiful yellow flower.
Yes, almost all of them have great fragrance to them, like the bush sage is one of my favorite scents in the garden.
Okay.
And also this Russian sage here. And you also have a couple varieties to choose from with the Mexican bush sage.
All right, yeah, I love the Mexican bush sage. It's always a good performer. What about this American beauty berry you got?
Yeah, it's just a great purple pop in the garden, and it's going to attract a lot of lovely birds around as well, so that's a wonderful addition.
Yes, fall's coming on. You can really spice it up. It's the pizzazz time. The heat's over. We're tapering off, and the plants are going to wake up and really go crazy, so let's go crazy with them in the garden. The other exciting part about fall is grasses.
Absolutely.
I mean, look at the textures and some of the movement you can get with grasses, let alone the color.
Yeah, and here are a handful of fall bloomers that'll be pushing out, you know, as soon as those temperatures cool off, like the Gulf Muley, a nice pink bloom, dwarf pampas grass, a lovely cream tan, and the Miscanthus cabaret, which has, you know, sort of a wheat golden look to it.
All right, and of course, if you've been down to the nursery, you know the ruby crystal I'm always talking about, because it's a wonderful, smaller, compact variety that is a wow all the way till the first frost.
Yeah, and then, you know, a bloom isn't everything. You still maybe want to add a pop of color, like this first night right here. Not going to bloom, but you can't beat this dark black foliage. Just spectacular.
Love it. Come on down and see us. Visit, walk around, let us show you some of the other grasses, flowers, plants, trees, everything we got down here, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching.